Generating nearly $70,000 in passive income from a single print-on-demand mug is an exceptional opportunity that's hard to come by. In this video, I'll guide you through a beginner-friendly strategy to capitalize on TikTok's new feature, Tik Tok Shop, and make thousands of dollars by selling print-on-demand items like mugs and t-shirts. The best part? You don't need a large following or design expertise. This method is incredibly straightforward and effective, offering a streamlined path to earning money online. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. To truly grasp the potential, consider the example of a simple baldy mug that's amassed over 5,000 sales on TikTok, translating to over $69,000 in revenue and potentially $15,000 to $20,000 in profit. It's a testament to the unprecedented ease of making money online through print-on-demand ventures. Step 1. Selecting the ideal print-on-demand supplier. To kickstart your print-on-demand venture, you'll need a reliable supplier capable of printing and shipping products on demand. This ensures that when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier handles printing and shipping directly to the customer. For seamless automation, it's crucial to opt for a print-on-demand company that integrates seamlessly with TikTok Shop. My preferred choice is Printful, renowned for its effortless integration that streamlines the entire process with a simple click. Begin by signing up for a free Printful account through my referral link in the description below. Once your account is set up, you can select from Printful's range of blank products, upload your designs, and start selling on TikTok. Before diving into product creation, however, it's essential to establish a TikTok Shop account. Opening TikTok Shop. To create your TikTok Shop account, you'll need two separate accounts, one for TikTok Shop and another for your regular TikTok activities. While you can utilize an existing TikTok account, I recommend creating a dedicated one for your store. Simply download the TikTok app and create an account, ensuring it's distinct for your store. Once your TikTok account is ready, visit seller.tiktok.com on a computer. Select your location, then proceed to sign up. You can easily link your TikTok account by scanning a QR code with your phone. After confirmation and authorization, provide your email address, verify your identity, and complete the account setup process, including necessary information and ID upload. Setting up TikTok shipping, very important step. After setting up your TikTok Shop account, it's imperative to configure warehouse settings and shipping templates before integrating Printful. Navigate to My Account and click on Account Settings on the left-hand side. Access Warehouse Settings and add your Printful warehouse address. Similarly, set up a return warehouse. Next, create a shipping template by selecting Shipping and then Shipping Template. Depending on your location, you can set a flat fee or a weight-based fee. Utilize a weight range and pricing strategy that suits your products. Ensure to set Shipped from Seller as the shipping option to enable Printful's automated shipping process. By following these steps, you'll seamlessly integrate Printful with TikTok Shop, streamlining your print-on-demand business operations. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Step 2. Connecting Printful to TikTok Shop. Now, let's link your Printful account to your TikTok Shop for seamless integration. Head back to your Printful account and navigate to the Stores tab on the left-hand side. Click on Choose Platform and select TikTok Shop. Then, click on Connect. Scroll down to the bottom and select your base location. For instance, if you're in the UK, click on Authorize UK. Proceed by clicking Next and Authorize. This will redirect you to Printful, where you'll confirm the installation by providing your details. After confirming, Printful will prompt you to click Confirm to install and authorize the connection. Once done, you'll be redirected back to Printful. Ensure you're logged in with your Printful account, then click on Connect Store. Voila! Your TikTok account is now successfully linked to your Printful account. From now on, when customers purchase products from your TikTok shop, everything will be automated, from printing to shipping. TikTok and TikTok Shop are continually evolving platforms. If you encounter any challenges or need additional support, feel free to join my community, linked below, where we offer dedicated support for print-on-demand ventures. Additionally, I offer a comprehensive course on print-on-demand with upcoming content focused specifically on TikTok Shop integration to assist you further. Step 3. Creating products. Now let's delve into the exciting part, creating products for your TikTok shop. Begin by visiting Printful and selecting Add Product. Here, you'll find a vast catalog of products to choose from, ranging from phone cases to hats, t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs. I've personally found success with mugs, given their affordability, quick shipping, and creative potential. However, feel free to explore other products that align with your vision. Once you've chosen a product, use Printful's intuitive product designer to add text, clip arts, or your own designs. Alternatively, you can design your products on platforms like Canva and import them into Printful. Embrace your creativity and experiment with different designs. Remember, the beauty of print on demand is that you can test numerous designs without upfront costs. If you're seeking inspiration, a handy strategy is to browse best-selling products on platforms like Etsy. Etsy offers insights into trending designs and popular items. While you shouldn't directly copy designs, you can draw inspiration and adapt them to your TikTok shop. Once you've crafted your design, ensure it's high resolution and saved as a transparent PNG. Upload the design to Printful, add it to your chosen product, and proceed to create mock-ups. Don't forget to craft compelling descriptions and titles for your products. Once you've completed these steps, your products are ready to be showcased on TikTok Shop, where you can unleash your creativity and drive sales. Best pricing strategy for TikTok Shop. When setting prices for your products on TikTok Shop, it's essential to consider competition from Chinese sellers offering lower-priced items. To remain competitive, it's crucial to price your products competitively, even if it means slim profit margins. Remember, the high volume of traffic on TikTok Shop can compensate for lower margins. Additionally, leveraging Printful's memberships, such as Printful Growth, can significantly enhance profitability. With Printful Growth, you can access discounted prices on products, effectively doubling your profits. Considering the nominal monthly fee, this membership proves invaluable for maximizing profitability, especially when operating with narrow profit margins. Once you've determined your pricing strategy, submit your products to your TikTok Shop for sale. Generating traffic and making sales. TikTok Shop offers unparalleled opportunities for driving free traffic to your products. One effective method involves creating short videos showcasing your products, utilizing mock-up generators for visuals. These videos don't require showing your face or purchasing products up front, making them accessible for beginners. While they may not yield viral views, consistent posting can attract significant traffic and generate sales. Another strategy involves leveraging TikTok's affiliate program. By offering commissions to influencers who promote your products, you can tap into their massive follower base and drive sales effortlessly. To implement this strategy, set affiliate commissions for your products in your TikTok Shop account and collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. With these strategies in place, you can capitalize on TikTok Shop's traffic and drive substantial sales without creating videos yourself. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.